It's hard to come up with new doodles every day, and now I want to challenge myself, and maybe you want to come with me on this challenge. I want to challenge myself to 3 new doodles in neurographic art weekly. I don't know for how long, but I want to try this out for myself because I need to get my inspiration up. And I want to have new ideas for my neurographic art. So I hope you enjoy and come along with me on this challenge. It's very good for self-confidence, mindfulness, and I got the complex PTSD, and it also helps me relax my brain and get in a Zen mode. So if you have something you are troubling about, this is very therapeutic too. So come along with me in this challenge. And use my doodles to get inspired and make your own diary of neurographic doodling. Then you can go back and forward in your sketchbook, and when you are drawing a larger neurographic art, you can use this sketchbook to get inspired by.